Welcome back, kindergarten. We are going to be having another math lesson about probability. And you remember that word? Can you say it back to me? Probability. Great job. Okay. Probability basically means the chance that something's going to happen. Okay. And we talked about last time the weather for recess. Okay. So let's remember our little symbols. If something is definitely going to happen, we'll give it a check mark. If we think there's a really good chance, but we're not sure, but it's a really good chance, we'll give it a happy face. Let me make my check mark a little darker. Boop. Okay. If it's just a little bit of a chance, it's unlikely, we'll give it a little sad face. And if it's definitely not going to happen, X. Okay, so that means it's impossible, unlikely, but it still might happen. Likely, really good chance, and check mark, certain. Okay, now let's think about if we had a fun little bag of marbles. We sure do. We love marbles, like Marvelous, right, Lincoln? You love Marvelous. All right, so let's pretend that we have some little marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a really big marble. Okay, and maybe this one's darker. Okay. So we've got 4 light marbles and 1 big dark marble. Well, if I reached my hand in there, am I more likely to get a little marble or a big marble? Well, we have more of the little marbles, so I have a bigger chance of picking out one of those. If I can only pick out one, and I can't look inside there, I'm probably going to pick out one of these little white ones. Okay. So if somebody said, what is the probability that you'll pull out one of the little white ones? You would say it's very likely. There's a good chance. Now, I still might pull out that big one. So it's not certain, and it's not impossible. It's likely. I'm probably going to pull out one of these white ones. Okay? If they asked you, what is the chance? What is the probability that you'll pull out the big black marble? Well, it's unlikely because it's a small chance. You only have one chance out of all those marbles to pull out that big one, right? So that's going to be remember that means not, unlikely. Okay, let me have you guys do one. So pull out your whiteboard and pull out your marker. Okay, I'm not doing all the work today. You're going to help me out. Okay, so we've got unlikely, we've got likely. So let's just start with those two. Which one has a bigger chance? Likely has a bigger chance. So we'll give it a little plus sign. Unlikely, smaller chance. Okay, let's say I have some different shapes in here. I've got a triangle, triangle, a circle, a circle, a circle, a circle, 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 circle. Okay, I have all these shapes. That was a crazy circle. More like an oval, right? Okay, which shape am I more likely to pull out? Can you draw it on your board, your whiteboard? Oh, yeah. Good job, Marta. Good job, Rose. Which shape? Draw it. Good job, Lincoln. Good job, Darren. Draw the shape I'm more likely to pull out. There's more of them. Okay, you guys are right. It's going to be a circle. That one's the one that is likely, okay, to pull out a circle. So which shape is it unlikely that I will pull out? Can you draw that shape? Which one is unlikely? Just a little chance. There's a couple of them in there. Yeah, you got it. The triangle. So you might pull one out, but it's a small chance. There's only a couple of them, so it's unlikely. Okay. Well, what is the chance that I'm going to pull out a square? Well, I don't have have any squares in there, so that's going to be an X. That's going to be impossible. And there's no chance I can pull out a square because there are no squares in there. Okay? Now, what if I erased my triangles? So I only have circles in here. Well, now, if I reach my hand in, what shape am I going to pull out? Draw it on your board really quickly. Yes, 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 yes. The only thing I can pull out is a circle. So this is now certain. When we have a C-E next to each other, they make an S sound. Isn't that funny? Certain. And it's going to end with that N. Certain. It is certain, absolutely positive. I'm definitely going to pull out a circle because that's all that we have in there. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a different one, and I want you to do this one on your own. So erase your whiteboard. Great job. Good listening. Now I'm going to have a plate right here, a plate with some fruit on it. What kind of fruit might I have? Let's see. I'm going to have an apple. I'm going to have a little C. That's not a very good strawberry. I was trying to do a strawberry. Strawberry, another strawberry. These are terrible strawberries. Aw, thank you for saying that they were still lovely. You guys are so sweet. Okay, I've got some beautiful strawberries. Okay. Love it. So I have an apple and I have all these strawberries. Okay, draw on your board. Don't draw the fruit. You're going to draw either a happy face for it's likely, good chance, or unlikely. What is the probability that I am going to, if I close my eyes and I just pick one up quickly, what is the probability that I am going to pick up a strawberry? Is that going to be likely? Then draw a happy face. Or unlikely, not a very big chance, draw a sad face. Let me see what you've got there. Good job, Marta. Good job, Darren, Rose, Lincoln. Yes, it is very likely because look at all those strawberries. I have a big chance of getting strawberries. Okay. What, erase your board. This is going to be easy. I know you can do it. What is the probability that I'm going to pull off an apple? There's only one of them on there. So is it certain? Am I definitely going to pull off an apple? No, I know it's not that choice. Is it impossible? Could I never pull off an apple? No. So now put down your happy, oh, you guys are fast, right? Is it going to be likely, a big chance, or unlikely? You're right. There's only one of them. It doesn't have a lot of chances, so it's unlikely. Well, our little sad face. What is the chance or probability that I'm going to close my eyes and pull off a banana? Put it down on your board. What's the chance? Am I definitely going to pull off a banana? Probably. It's likely. Unlikely. Small chance. Or impossible to pull off a banana. Which symbol? You guys are so fast. Yes. Okay, that's impossible because there are no bananas, right? There are no bananas. What if I take away all the strawberries? What is the chance, if I reach down and pull off a fruit, close my eyes, what is the probability that I will pull off an apple? Put it on your board. What is the probability I will pull off an apple? Well, it's the only thing on here, guys, right? You knew it. Check mark. That's certain. I am certain, ooh, crazy R, to get an apple. All right. Now, guys, you've already been learning about fractions. This is connected to fractions. Math, it's all connected. It's about patterns, right? Okay, so let's go back to our fruit for a second. Oh, no, I'm going to draw these fruit again. All right, here's my little apple. Don't make fun of my apple. Oh, he's pretty cute. All right, I think I'm getting better at my strawberries. Here's a little strawberry. Strawberry, okay. Strawberry. All right. What fraction of our fruit, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of fruit. One of them's an apple, 4 of them are strawberries. What is the fraction that is an apple? What is the fraction? So you remember how it has to be our number on top, our numerator, out of all of the fruit, our denominator. What do you guys think? Write it down. If you can figure out the fraction that goes with how many, what part of this is an apple? Well, there's 1 apple out of, but now remember the denominator, you have to count all of the fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The apple is 1/5 of our fruit. It's 1/5. Okay, so that's pretty little. That's a pretty little number. It's unlikely I'm going to pick it, only 1 out of 5. But what is the fraction? Erase your boards. What is the fraction of fruit that are strawberries? So now we're doing the strawberries out of the whole group of fruit. Yes, I'm seeing some great work out there. I know you know this. Well, how many strawberries do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 out of, we still have 5 pieces of fruit. Our denominator's the same, 5, okay? So the strawberries are 4/5. The apple was only 1 out of 5, 1/5. Which one is more? Which one is a bigger fraction? Well, remember our alligator? 4/5 is greater than 1/5. So it has a greater probability. It's likely. It's likely. Okay. So I just want to show you how some of your other math is all connected. Dun, dun, dun. All right. One of the things you can practice this week is creating some different situations for probability. So get somebody at home, find a group of objects. You can put them in a bag. You can cover them up with your whiteboard so they can't see. It could be coins. You could have coins. How many pennies? And then how many quarters? Well, what's the probability if you close your eyes and reach under your whiteboard? What's the probability you pull out a penny? Is that likely, unlikely? You could even do the fraction with that. And then you could compare the fractions. You could say the quarters are 1, 2, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins, 2/7. But the pennies are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 7. 5/7 is greater than 2/7. Okay, so challenge yourself. Try to challenge maybe a sibling. If you have a sibling at home, you all do. Okay, Marta, get Chloe together. You guys practice this together. Okay, it'll be great practice for both of you. Have fun with your fractions. Have fun with your probability. Have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye.